Hey guys, Swish Family Farm. Oh boy, got the sun out, beaming me in the eyes. I'm in the greenhouse. You can see it's a mess. I got to get this greenhouse cleaned up. So let's talk about organizing your greenhouse. Can you give me ideas on how to keep this thing organized? Because I'll tell you what, it seems to be the dumping ground. Every time I turn around, it's put in the greenhouse. What is wrong with me? I don't know. So we got some stuff planted. I got basil's planted, I got oregano planted, I got cilantro. Those are all getting ready to go. Behind me, or up top, I got some dill. Now this is a dill that I pulled out, last year, and put it in the greenhouse. And look, it's still going. So I don't really have plenty of dill. And I love the smell of this, man. This on a piece of salmon with a good rub. Let me tell you, one hell of a piece of salmon you'll get. That's another thing I never used to do until lately, is I never used to eat a lot of fish, and I've been eating a lot of fish lately. I'm starting to get to like it again, which is unusual because I used to hate it. I used to hate the fishy flavor. Then I got my beans. We got our beans. We got our beans. We got Kentucky green beans, which is the only one we plant. We don't plant any other beans. I don't do peas because I'm not sitting there doing the pods and the whole 9 yards. So we got beans and we got cucumbers, and those are getting ready to go in the garden probably next week. I got pickling cucumbers. I got garden cucumbers we can eat. And then I actually finally got, where's it at? Oh, it's probably up top. It's up top. I got me some tomatillos. And they are doing fantastic. The tomatillos are doing off the chain. I'm so excited because I love tomatillos. I like to make some verde. I like to take and roast the tomatillos and put them in our blender and blend them up and then add some spices to them. I'll do some videos for you on some salsas and stuff. I've been really on that kick lately, which is really weird. But, so what I want to do today is I want to try to get this organized. It's a mess. It shouldn't be this messy, but it is. Boy, is it a mess. I am really, really looking around going, what am I going to do with all this crap? So, at that point, guys, I'm going to go through. I'm going to take you through a real quick look, and I'm going to show you the end result when I'm done. Oh. Alright guys, so I got the greenhouse finally cleaned up. You know, it's funny how you just keep... I got tools in here I was looking for. I couldn't find. I thought I lost. I'm laughing because... I'm laughing at myself, really. Alright, so we got the greenhouse done. I went ahead and planted some zucchini and some squash. And I'm trying this time to grow some artichokes. So I'll keep you in touch with the artichokes. Now that this place is organized, it looks a lot better. I kind of span around so you guys kind of, well, I guess you can see somewhat. I tell you what, I'll take a real good quick clip of this and walk through and show you everything. But I just wanted to say thank you very much. I appreciate you understanding. I'm going to start getting these videos out. Matter of fact, you know, we're supposed to have some more rain come in. When I got off of this thing, believe it or not, we had some clouds come over, and I actually had penny-sized hail hitting the greenhouse. I'll tell you what, this greenhouse holds up pretty good with that plastic, that Lexan plastic I got up there. Faith's out there protecting the homestead, doing what she's supposed to do. Well, guys, with that said, I'd like to say thank you very much. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, that like button. If you've never been here before, hit that subscribe button, and welcome to the family. We have a lot of good videos coming up. We got a lot of builds coming up. We're going to be building our house. We're building a custom chicken coop. Run for the chicken coop. We're going to be planting some elderberries and give you some clues on what to do on elderberries. We're going to be planting all the vegetables I plant in here, so you get to see that. We're going to be doing our own grapes because if I haven't mentioned it before, I live, actually, my land backs up to a winery. So they grow their own grapes there. So I figured I'd get into the grape thing and Went and got some grapes. We got red ones, green ones, and Concords. No, I'm not going to make my own wine. Well, you never know. But I don't like wine, so I probably won't. If I made wine, I'd probably make it just for cooking because that's the only time I really use it. But with that all said, guys, I got cleaned up. Miss Amy is going to be ecstatic with me because she kind of doesn't really like her greenhouse. It's her greenhouse, really. But I come in, and because she works so much, I do most of the planning and most of the layouts and everything to make sure stuff gets done. The only thing I can think that we have to plant yet is our beets, radishes, and I need to get some thyme in. I've already got the rosemary growing, so that'll be good. But with that said, guys, thank you so much. God bless. And you know what? Hit that thumbs up. Hit that like button. Watch a couple more videos because the only thing we are missing right now is our hours. That's all we're missing is our hours. And I think right now we're like 2,000 some odd hours of watch time, and we need 4,000 to get us promoted to be part of YouTube. So if you guys don't mind, watch a couple more videos. Hey, don't forget, go back to some of the prior ones, the first ones. You guys see that, you won't believe how far we've come in the 4 years we've been here, and not having a lot of money either. So at that point, guys, I'm going to let you go. God bless. Take care. Bye.